Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the battery percentage isn't showing up in the status bar of your Redmi 17. So the first thing that we want to do is unlock our device. Then we have to go to settings, scroll down to notifications and status bar, scroll down to battery indicator and change it from graphical to either this one, which will show us the percentage within the battery icon, or this one, which will show us the percentage aside the battery icon. I prefer this one. And that's how I do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.